Sikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email bank reconciliation statement starting from passbook balance. Passbook favorable balance. Starting with passbook favorable balance, we have to ascertain the impact of each item on the cash book favorable balance. That is whether the item increases or decreases the bank book favorable balance. Accordingly, the items would be added and or deducted. Balance as per passbook. To this add the following items: checks deposited but not yet collected or credited by bank, deposited check dishonored but not entered in cash book, bank charges and interest on overdraft charged by bank but not entered in cash book, direct payment made by bank as per standing order not recorded in cash book. To this deduct the following items: checks issued but not presented for payment, interest credited by bank but not recorded in cash book, amount directly deposited into bank by debtors but not recorded in cash book. Passbook overdraft balance. Starting with passbook overdraft balance, we have to ascertain the impact of each item on the cash book overdraft balance. That is whether the item increases or decreases the cash book overdraft balance. In this case, the above mentioned add and less item will be reverse of the above. Example, favorable balance. On 31st March, passbook of a trader showed a credit balance of 1565, but the passbook balance was different for the following reasons from the cash book balance. Checks issued to X for rupees 600 and to Y for rupees 384 were not yet presented for payment. Bank charged rupees 35 bank and Z directly deposited rupees 816 to the bank account which were not entered in the cash book. Two checks from A rupees 515 and another from B rupees 1250 were collected subsequently in the first week of April, though they were banked on 25th March. Interest allowed by bank rupees 45. Prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March. Bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March. Balance as per passbook, credit balance favorable 1565. Add bank charges rupees 35 plus check from A and B deposited in March but credited in bank in April, that is 515 plus 1250 is equal to 1765. That makes a total of 1800 to be added. Less check deposited to X and Y for payment but not yet presented, that is 600 plus 384 is equal to 984, plus checks directly deposited by Z 816, interest allowed by bank 45. So that makes a total of amount rupees 1845 to be deducted. So the balance as per cash book comes to 1565 plus 1800 minus 1845 is equal to 1520. Example, bank overdraft balance. From the following information, prepare a bank reconciliation statement as at 31st March of A and Company, who had an overdraft balance of rupees 5,700 as per passbook as on that date. Check deposited into bank but not shown in the passbook rupees 3,500. Check drawn but not cashed at the bank rupees 2,500. Dividend of rupees 1,000 collected by bank directly on 31st March under advice of A and Company. Debit side of cash book was wrongly overcast by rupees 400. Checks amounting to rupees 350 were deposited into bank but were recorded in the debit side of passbook. Bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March. Bank overdraft as per passbook rupees 5,700. To this add check drawn but not collected by bank rupees 2,500 plus dividend collected by bank directly not recorded in bank book rupees 1,000. That makes a total of 3,500 to be added. To this amount, reduce the following amounts. Check deposited into bank but not shown in passbook rupees 3,500 plus debit side of cash book wrongly overcrossed rupees 400 plus check deposited into bank not recorded in the passbook correctly, that is 350 and 350 is equal to 700. So that makes a total of 4,600 to be deducted. So the bank overdraft as per bank book comes to rupees 5,700 plus 3,500 minus 4,600. So that comes to rupees 4,600. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.